I love a crystal clean screen, just like everyone else. And I am so excited because I just got this amazing portable monitor. Let's open it together. The box itself is actually really just so gorgeous and high quality. It comes with a really easy to follow manual and of course the monitor itself. Packaged really nicely. It is really nice and lightweight. In this box here we have the charger, the charging device, and of course the different plugs. And let's take a look at the monitor. I love this part back here. I can open it up to make sure it is angled in whichever way I would like, so I can have it kind of straight up like this, or if I prefer a more laid back angle, I can have it that way. So here are all of the buttons on the side. To turn it on, we just short press this top button and take a look. The screen itself is absolutely gorgeous. It is super clear, and it's going to help you set it up really quickly. You can have it in a pre-set up instruction mode, Apple screen mirroring, or Miracast. It also has gravity sensor auto rotation, so when I move my screen, you can see my screen will change, which is so cool. And of course, it will stand up this way as well. So to connect it to your mirroring, it is super easy. I just press this mirroring button on my Apple device and then find the screen mirroring button, and it will automatically connect. So you can see here how easy that was to pair my iPad to the screen mirroring. And now whatever I do, of course, on here is what we are going to see right up on my screen. So I can adjust the brightness on this screen, as you can see here, using these buttons. And I also do have a volume button. And here you can see that the volume was coming right from my device. And that volume can be adjusted on here as well. It sounds super clear. And I love that this is wireless. I also love that you can use these cable cords to connect right to your laptop. So I am just going to plug this in to mine. And here you can see what is on my screen is being broadcasted right on here. I love the long battery life of this, and that it has a 17.3-inch screen with an 8,000 mAh rechargeable battery. Now I'm going to connect it to my phone. Again, it is just super easy to do. You just press that screen mirroring button and then find the device. I'm just a few feet away from the screen, but this can go 33 feet or 10-meter distance, which is really absolutely amazing. As you can see, the pairing was really easy. Now take a look at the screen. I am just going to pull up a video here.
I'm getting my hair done for the first time, and
So this is so cool because it has a 2.5K high resolution screen, as you can see here, as well as 2,560 by 1,440p.
So exciting. Oh my gosh. Okay,
and you can even hear how great that sound quality is. I also love that I can use this Type-C HDMI to mirror what is happening on my screen to the monitor here. So all I had to do was just plug it in to my laptop and then plug it in right on the side here. And you can see the gorgeous screen here displaying exactly what is on my computer with the help of that HDMI-C type. Overall, this monitor is a 10 out of 10. It is super easy to use. The screen and sound are absolutely beautiful. I love how lightweight and compact it is, so I can take it with me on the go. This is a 10 out of 10. I absolutely love this portable monitor, and I know you will too.